So if you're getting a code for ATO on your fryer for some reason, ATO is auto top off, and that's a function where the fryer actually monitors the amount of oil in each vat, and if the oil gets below a certain level, it'll automatically pump some oil from a JIB or extra holding container up into the fryer to maintain that fryer level right where it should be. If you do have an issue with the ATO probe and you have actually been using the JIB and you want to continue using the JIB so that it automatically tops off, then you would have to get the ohm readings for that probe and actually check it against the temperature and make sure that it's reading properly. If it's really dirty, like caked with grease and debris that's keeping it from reading the temperature of the vat or the level of the vat properly, then you might have to clean it really well in order for it to work again. In this particular instance, and most places, to be honest, the JIB is not actually being used anymore. A lot of restaurants just don't really use it, and they just add oil manually once they see that it's kind of low. So you'll have to look at the exact fryer you're working on. What I do in this video is actually disable that feature so that it's no longer used at all, because they hadn't been using the JIB for probably like 6 or 8 years at the location. The fryer's old enough that no one remembers the JIB ever being set up or used. I'll just put the video of me talking to tech support and you can see how you actually kind of go through that menu. But I would definitely recommend, if you do have to change it, to call tech support and have them walk you through it, because those setup menus, if you change something that you shouldn't, it can really mess up the fryer. So anyway, I hope that you enjoyed the video, and I will talk to you guys later. In order for you guys to understand the process a little bit better, I actually used the landline phone at the location to call Frymaster and talk to their tech support. Each menu is a little bit different for each fryer model and serial number, so you have to talk to them pretty much in order to do this properly. Yeah, so it's showing ATO Probe error, and then it asks if it's fixed, yes or no. The leftmost fryer. Do I need to shut off both? Okay. Yep, so I just clicked on the off button on the leftmost controller. Press and hold the check button. Okay, info mode, letting it, still holding it in. Still blink. Okay, main menu, I just let off on it. Now it's saying product setup. Okay, there's vat setup. You want me to click check mark? Okay. And do I enter the code? Oh, I press the actual button. So let's try 1, 6, 5, 6. It's not. There it goes. Okay, it says system. Alright, language, English. Okay. System, volume, temper, format, exit, melt temperature, cool mode, temperature, cool mode, default, fresh oil, JIB, hit the check. Alright. When I click check here, it actually doesn't do anything. On the right hand screen it says JIB. Should I cycle through on that menu maybe? Bulk or none? None, okay. So I've got it set to none, so I just hit the check mark. Hit, okay. Now go to the next option then. Waste, none. Drain, switch, yes. Recovery alarm is disabled. Basket lift disabled. Hold time auto. Is that full? Enabled. And now it's to exit. Okay. Computer. Yep, all the controllers are shutting off and beeping. Now they're all displaying off. Instead of JIB. Okay, so it's showing the, is that full? Yes, yes, and yes. Now they're displaying ready, and I do not see the code showing up. So that must have, yeah, because they haven't been using that for like 8 years, I think. So I don't really see any reason to fix it, right? So perfect, yeah. I guess it didn't specifically list it as ATO, but the JIB function has the ATO setting built into that, I suppose. So if you set it to none, then it just ignores it altogether. Right, so if there's no JIB, like we selected, it just will ignore those probes. Awesome. Well, thank you very much. You're very good at describing which buttons to press. Yes, you as well. Bye.